Hey everybody, this is BT again. Hey, I just wanted to actually further down the line in this course, but I wanted to backtrack and I wanted to say something before, and insert this video in between other videos, more or less at the beginning of the course. And the reason is I just wanted to talk to everybody, and as you're going through the course, if you find something that resonates with you, if you find, that you're comfortable with the trading style, I wouldn't go any further. I would take that trading style, I would demo it, and I wouldn't practice any of the others because you might, get lucky enough and find your trading style, in the first or second video and might not have to go through them all. You can always, look at them later, but there's no sense to overwhelm yourself with so many different kinds of trading strategies. If long term's your thing, then maybe watch all the videos and then see the last couple of ones about long term trading, or skip them all together and go that way. So you just really want to find what's comfortable for you. And if it's scalping, getting in real quick, quick hits on 20-30 pip trades, then that's what you want to do. You don't want to just overwhelm yourself, like I said, with so many different trading styles and strategies that can be used. The only reason why we create so many is because there's so many different, different people in the room, different personalities, different mindsets. And, we're just trying to find that one that will resonate, because we're all so different. We all trade differently. We can all look at the same charts and still see them not the same. So I just wanted to put that out there just so that you didn't get overwhelmed with all these different strategies. And if you do find the one that, like, hey, that's the one that I want to do, do it. Take that, practice that, demo it, do some paper trading, and it'll just, save you the hassle from having to go through the rest of the videos until maybe later on when you want to try something a little bit different. When you find something that works, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So just stick with it, and then I will see you in the next video, and we can go over some other trading strategies. And if you've already found one, then good for you, and use it in the room, demo it, and make some money. See you in the next video.